Like, oh, look at that one. That one was pretty. I'm gonna stand up here so I can get a better view.
Of what? My head?
No, the lightning bolts. I can barely see it over the ledge. Oh, that one was good. Look at these.
Oh!
Whoa, that one was a ball.
You can. I know my head is pretty, but don't.
Oh, that one was cool too.
What are you looking at? Right there. I know what you're looking at, but.
Whoa, look at that one. That was sick. Okay, I'm gonna stop
there.
talking.
I know your weakness.
I got 4 minutes into this.
I was like, you got 4 weaknesses?
Ooh, that was cool.
Oh, that was sick. So was that?
Lukey,
Zeus and Poseidon are
Lukey,
fighting.
over here I was watching and all I see is a plane fly by and a lightning bolt strike its tail. And then it looked like it was starting to fall.
Sure.
I saw it. I saw a lightning bolt come close to it and then the plane started going lower and lower to the ground.
Yes, probably try to get away from the lightning.
Whoa, that lit up half of the cloud. I'm 1 minute and 31 minutes into it.
You're not 31 minutes into it.
36. I wasn't 31.
You're 1 minute and 39 minutes.
What did I say?
30 minutes?
Oh. Dude, I bet you we could get better shots from up there. Wait, no, the tree will be blocking us.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Ooh.
I'm already 5 minutes in.
Hopefully my dad doesn't annoy your dad because my dad's going to call your dad and see what apartment we're at. So he could come pick us up.
That was 3 bolts in a row.
Oh, I thought it's my dad. That's not my dad. It can't be my dad. Okay, it's not my dad. It was green and I was looking at it.
That's blue.
Okay, it looks green at night.
Okay.
I kind of remember her. I kind of remember you.
Kinda.
The pizza eating girl.
Yeah, the one where we watched
didn't
that
eat.
creepy movie.
Pizza I ate and well.
I know.
Okay.
I know. We all ate well, then pizza ate well.
Wow. And then Haley over here was after like no reason.
I forgot who.
I'm Haley.
You were Sam.
I'm Sam. Yeah.
Sam's Ernest.
Well,
no,
yeah.
Sam.
yeah, that's it.
No.
Okay, I'm
Sam's
I'm
Lucas,
3 minutes and
I'm Lucas. That's
Alright.
why you're Haley.
Oh yeah.
I'm 3 minutes and 8 seconds into this video.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure 3 minutes?
Oh my God! Look, 4,
my
5,
God.
6,
That was cool.
7 lightning bolts at the same time.
Oh.
I'm gonna watch it through my phone.
Oh my god.
This is pretty.
Yeah,